Reface versus FacePlay app comparison. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you are well. In this video I will share with you Reface versus FacePlay app comparison. Because these days FacePlay app is on trending, its nationality type of videos are on trending, different nationality videos. So in this video I will share with you which one is better. The price plan is really similar, 1 week plan. Both apps provide within $2.5. So here you can see the both apps interfaces. Reface app is really buttery smooth and you have need to choose Google account or Facebook account in FacePlay app, but it's not in the case of Reface. Reface app not required any type of account, so you can get more features in Reface app, but the thing matter is the output quality. So which one app provide the best quality? I think both apps really close to each other, but as you can see the FacePlay app nationality type of video is on the trending these days. That's why I want to compare with Reface. Reface is the best contender in front of FacePlay. If you're enjoying this video, so please consider to subscribe. Both apps have huge library and updates their feeds on a daily basis, which is an amazing, but FacePlay is on the trending due to its nationality type of Reface videos. On the other hand, Reface is also partnered with different type of recently premiere movies or web series, which is an amazing, and this is what I am comparing in front of you. If you like it, so please subscribe and also follow me on social media handles to get updates. And please also let me know in the comment section which one app is good in front of you, or which one is the winner, FacePlay or Reface. Please let me know in the comment section. Reface is the much better option in front of FacePlay app in my opinion, because you can get much better user experience, much better UI, and overall it's smooth, not laggy or full of ads. So it's not show me any ad in one video Reface. So as compared to FacePlay show me up to 3 or 4 ads during one video Reface, which is annoying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified. See you soon in next video.